Hello, my name is Meg, and today I'm going to show you an unboxing of some beautiful pottery from a really cute Etsy shop. I do believe that they do custom things, like made to order, not really custom, I'm sorry. And they are called Stoned and Fired Pottery. I'll put all their links down below. Their business card says, family-owned, solar-powered studio featuring handmade pottery by 3 generations. And their stuff is really cute, as you will see here in a minute. I am a firm believer in handmade pottery for many reasons. I will add this to my small business playlist so that you can have a shopping guide for some beautiful pottery, as well as if you look at my Etsy shop, my favorites are public, and I do that on purpose so that you can see my favorite pottery people and other shops that I like to better help you shop when you need a special gift. Also, I have lots of handmade toy shops in there as well for if you need a good children's gift, especially for the holidays. But anyway, let's get into it now because I'm very excited. I will probably skip ahead to cutting this open. She has really wrapped it nicely, and I'm probably going to have to use scissors. But I wanted to show you first what cute packaging she did with the stamps on the side. I'll do a close-up of her stamp. And she put some really cute cards in here. This is her business card and a thank you. Really cute. And then a sticker, which I always love stickers. Who doesn't love a good sticker, right? It's always so nice when your favorite shops give you a little something. I try to do the same thing when people order from me. And I absolutely loved this card. Something I will keep forever and probably be a good bookmark. And her handwritten postcard is beautiful too. I love this so much. This is like something I would actually put in a frame and add to my gallery wall of art. And she put, Megan, thank you for your purchases. Your support allows us to continue in our passions in ceramic. I hope you enjoy in use as much as I enjoyed creating, which is wonderful and forever grateful. I believe in that sentiment so much. All of us small businesses are so grateful for any support when you like our products. And for pottery, I feel like it's really important. I've gone down this journey with my little boy, and if you think about your health as well, handmade pottery people are very conscious of lead-free glazes at this point in time, and most of them use that. So handmade pottery is not only more beautiful, more creative, and supportive to a small business, but better for your health as well, because these cheap mugs that you get somewhere, you have no idea what's inside them and what they're made of. I've learned all this the hard way with my own son and trying to find the most safest lead-free cookware and things like that for my whole family. If you can reduce your lead exposure, that's the most important thing. Sometimes it can't be helped due to the environment of your house, how old your house is, and all of that as well. But the more you can help yourself with the things that you actually eat and drink out of, that is very helpful. So I'm going to cut to getting this open. I'll be right back. Give yourself a little gift here and there sometimes, especially something functional that you can really use, like something to eat and drink out of. It's not just a gift, it's something you'll use every day. So without any more talking, let me show you. This I thought would be so cute starting spring, and I don't have a whole lot of spring pieces. I have nothing that I take out for summertime, and I think that's kind of depressing. So I think that's why I'm going to do this. And I thought this plate would be so cute on an Easter or Passover table, and then just cute through the summer seasons, just because of all the fresh produce that comes in and all the stuff from your garden. Look at this. It is so cute. I know it's small, But look at that. Look at the carrots and the peas. Oh my gosh. It's so, so cute, right? And you can tell how good it's made too. Nice, sturdy, thick ceramic. Here is her like pottery stamp. Oh, I love it so much. I had to have this carrot plate. I had my eye on it for months, and I'm so glad. I think I got the last one too. So, and then this mug turned out bigger than I thought it would be, and which I love. I love that it's bigger than I thought it would be. And she wrapped the handles so carefully, and everything was put in bubble wrap. And even if you're an environmental person, that's still good because you can reuse bubble wrap. As long as your kids don't pop all the bubbles, right? Next time you move or anything, send a gift to someone else. Here is the lemon mug. Again, her cool stamp on the under. Oh, with little lemons on there too. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it so much. Lemonade is one of my favorite things about summer. And my little boy also shares my love of lemonade. It is one thing that makes summer better and better, in iced tea as well too, with lemon in it. So I just thought these pieces would help me really kind of help with summertime. I will look forward to opening these up come springtime, and it'll be something to add to a new collection for my least favorite season, right? And you got to find the joy in life where you can. So thank you so much for watching. And again, like I said, her shops will be listed in my description box. And also she's saved as a favorite shop in my Etsy, which I will link down below too, so you can see my soaps and my favorite things and maybe help you find a great gift or a gift for yourself that's well needed. Take care.